Our application is social network platform designed to the network users share content and engage with other through post, like, comment, and following features. It provides a user-friendly environment where individuals can create account, integrate with post, and build their own network followers. The platform allows the user to registration and sign in, manage their profiles, and share personal updates in a form of posts and stories. Each user can follow or unfollow other users to stay updated with their activities. Additionally, user can like, comment, and engage with posts to create a more. There are several features are user management, story management, social integration, post engagement. We use several tools. First, Sona Cube. Second, Subtool, as well as we test white box testing, black box testing, and manual testing. After that, we move to the our vulnerability list. First, detects vulnerabilities on auth section. Vulnerabilities are plain text password storage, insecure password combination, hardcode and weak JWT secret, no token expiration, sensitive data expose, insecure cookies, no input validation, and broken authentications. After that, issue fix implemented recrypt hashing and sorting for password, verify hash password on login, moved JWT seeker to routine and use strong algorithm hash 256, added token expiration time, reduce risks of composing, remove unnecessary sensitive data from response, set secure cookies with GTP only true and same site strict, add basic input validation for required field, solution implement, secure registration and login hash password before store, validate input, use parameterized queries, use environment secret, strong algorithm 256, short expiry, secure cookies, added Google WSO to identify server login endpoint verification ID token, no password handling for social OIDC login, identify verified by last IDP, issue own secure JWT after verification IDP token. We detects 8 vulnerabilities in our project. First, security misconfiguration. Security misconfiguration occur when system application server or database is not securely configured, uh, leaving it vulnerability to attack. Uh, Now move to the issue fix. Identification and authentication failures. Vulnerabilities has been resolved. The CI/CD workflow previously continued hardcode SonarQube authentication token directly in GitHub workflow build.yml. Now move to the solution implement. The solution has been reconfigured to following secure authentication and secret management practice. GitHub secret are used securely in SonarQube token. Next move the our second vulnerability, identification and authentication failure. Introduction. Identification and authentication failure occur when the mechanism used to verify and users identify and manage session are weak and improperly implemented. Next, move to the issue fix. Identification and authentication failure vulnerability has been resolved. The CI/CD workflow previously contained hardcode and Sona keep authentication to directly in GitHub workflow build.yml. Next, solution implemented. The workflow has been reconfigured to the following secure authentication and secure management practices. Environment variables reference the secret at runtime instead of the hardcode values. Next, move to our vulnerabilities.
So next two identified vulnerabilities are broken access control and cryptographic failures. When we call about the broken access control, broken access control means user we are able to do things or see data they were not supported to. Uh, for example, one user could access another user's file or even admin settings. We found two main issues. First, path traversal. Uh, in there, the attackers could change file paths and get into sensitive files. Second is dynamic code loading. In there, the app was loading code from user input, which could be harmful. To fix this, we cleared and restrict file paths, block hidden files, and only allow safe file types for code loading. We now only allow trusted pre-approved modules and log every attempt. So the next one is crypto failures. Crypto failures happen when sensitive data like password or tokens are not properly protected. Before, our system had weak JWT setting, hard-coded secrets, password stored in plain text, insecure cookies, and even error messages that revealed sensitive info. Now we fix this with strong JWT algorithms, secure secret storage, uh, token explanation, and claim validation for password. We use try hashing with salt, secure comparison, and no plain text storage at all.
I identify SQL injection vulnerability. In the previous code, the application directly concatenate user controller data into SQL query, allowing attackers to manipulate queries and execute uh, attributable database command. So we provide that solution for that. We use parameterized query and query builder usage and input validation and synthesization and secure error handling. And other thing is identify server-side request for the receipt. This is server-side request vulnerability have been resolved. Previous code, the application allowed user provide URL for server-side HTTP request without proper validation could be exploited to access internal APIs, scan internal network infrastructure, bypass firewall and access controller. So we provide several solutions for that. When we consider some of them are URL validation and filtering, URL pressing using new URL, schema validation, and others like this.
The vulnerability I found is insecure. One is insecure design. Insecure design refers to flaws in the application architecture itself. So we fix this issue. Open redirect vulnerability has been resolved. Previously, the application redirected to users based on the user control input without a proper validation, allowing attackers to manipulate redirects to malicious external websites. So how we let's talk about how we implemented this solution. Internal redirects are validated against an approved route list. External redirects are validated against the domain whitelist. Protocol enforcement and path validation. And the next vulnerability I found is security login and monitoring failure. This vulnerability occurs when an application does not log important security events or fails to monitor them properly. Without login, attacks may go undetected, and without monitoring, organization cannot respond in time. Let's talk how we fix this issue. Security login and monitoring failure have been resolved in here, and the application previously lacked comprehensive security event login and failed to track login attempts and had no real-time monitoring capabilities for the detecting security incidents. So we fixed that issue in here, that vulnerability. So the solution we implemented was comprehensive security login and monitoring have been implemented to detect, track, and respond to the security events in real time. The security monitoring system now captures all login attempts with the detailed metadata, maintains persistent security logs in a structured format with ISO timestamps, implement automated threat detection with the configurable thresholds, and provide secret audit endpoints.